Guys, so we're gonna go with the skateboards around the building, so let's go. Why are you not riding it now?
Because when I get there, it's gonna be more sweat.
Did you ever get in trouble by the people?
No?
You sure?
Yeah, my friends live here. Well, they're like 5 and 4.
Okay. Sure? I'm gonna go. Wait, where are you gonna go?
Huh?
Is it around?
Yeah.
Where do we come from?
Huh? We come in from here and we get out from there.
Did you guys ever get in trouble?
No? Hey, look, it's
Riding.
me and Jojo used to play family here.
Ew. Check if there's a car.
Yeah. But it goes that. See how it's going out from